we be more than a moment? But would we be a waste of time? I know I like it when you hold me, but do I wanna call you mine? Do I like you, or do I like the attention? Do I like that you see me when no one else does? Do I like that it's easy to figure you out? If I can have you now, then easy's what I'm about.
Not that important. I try to make you smile, but I'm boring. I played you my new song and it's cool, but there's too many people who do what you do, boy.
I knew this girl who ran track, one of them fast girls, she even had a plaque. Now I never let her know that I rap, but she could tell by all the WAVs on my Mac. Girls can't take me to their parents, even.
I have no idea what I'm doing with makeup. I just don't know how to really do like the fancy kind of stuff. So I'm gonna try to stick to natural. Just do like an eyeshadow.
So I feel the pressure just before I play my tracks.
I also just have a bunch of palettes. I don't know what to do with them. I like this Jaclyn Hill Morphe one, but I think I'm just gonna stick to that, do like an orange look, because my dress is blue and blue and orange kind of.
I'm trash or I'm wrong, cause chances are you got no chance at all. Chances are you have.
I have no idea what I'm doing. I put like a cut crease, is that even what that is? I have no clue, but I'm really trusting the process here.
No chance if we talk. I hate bringing up my songs, cause either I'm trash or I'm wrong, cause chances are you got no chance at all. Chances are you have no chance.
See, I'm just not that important. I try to make you smile, but I'm boring. I played you my new song and it's cool, but there's too many people who do what you do, boy.
See, I don't agree with passing out mixtapes on the streets. We ain't gonna pay for a CD, and I'd rather ignore you via SoundCloud link. And your friends tell your friends you help them out with a tweet. Oh, you do music? My little brother makes beats. Y'all should collab, man, I think it'll be neat. I hear this all the time, but I ask for this beef. Wasting studio time when you harass for a reach. So I better finish school, cause I'ma need a good job to go and pay my bills. Cause passion will never offer your family a
It's raining. Are you kidding me? It's okay. Make the best of what we've got. Anyways, time to run to my car because it's not the best weather right now. It's gonna ruin my hair. Also, I'm like holding up my dress. It's my Air Forces. So it's raining. Is he coming? I don't know, but I'll put you right there. Yeah, what?
Where's your mom?
Huh? My mom's on her way. She's with her car. He's with an umbrella. Oh, that's cute. Hello, handsome. What? You didn't have to get me this.
Well, I know, I didn't have to. We also didn't have to do it.
Thank you. Look at that. A boutonniere. Wait, these are so cute. Did you make that?
I did.
But did you find like a template or something?
I did.
Look, prom tickets. Just really putting the whole thing together. Yeah. And the Chia King. These are so cient. Thank you.
Of course.
I'll take my ticket.
Your makeup looks amazing.
Thank you.
You look amazing.
Thank you. Do you want to put that on me?
Oh, make sure to save that because we need it to get into the dance.
You didn't have, oh my god, whoever you bought this from, were they like, why do you need this?
I don't think they ask questions at flower shops.
Wow, thank you.
Of course.
Isn't it this one?
Yeah. Something like that.
Ooh! Okay. Nice, nice. Dude, how much money are you right now?
A lot. Most of it's in this bracelet, but yeah.
OMG, that looks nice.
Yeah.
It matches! OMG.
I know it does.
I was almost gonna wear my pink dress.
Well, if you did, I was prepared.
Look at you. I was almost gonna wear a pink sequin dress that I had, and I told him that I had two options, so we got a pink tie too, but you don't need it.
Tie matches my eyes.
Dude, yeah, both of us would get in.
Wait, serious face. The exposure's all fucked.
I know, hold on.
Oh, there we go.
It's raining really hard, and I thought it was just gonna drizzle, but nope. My mom got a cake and he put it inside, and now he's coming back. And now we're driving to a sheltered place at our old school or high school, whatever.
What are we doing?
That's the only sheltered place we can think of. Yeah.
Is there,
Huh?
that fine?
Yeah, that's fine.
Good.
Okay. Look over here.
Oh, okay.
Pictures. Cutie. Okay, it is still raining, so we make do with what we got, and they actually turned up. We got some cute umbrella pictures. We got some LaCroix and some
Yeah, pour some chips in
Mexican
that.
food.
I think my one's chicken.
Fancy. It's a nice burrito. The fanciest drink of all time. And it's key lime, it's my favorite. Thanks.
Put a...
Oh, my dress. I got my tickets.
Alright. Yeah, show them to the guy, show the tickets. Alright, hey, here you go. Is that good? Okay.
Yes.
Here we go. You ready?
Yeah. Oh! Oh!
Do I like you, or do I like the attention? Do I like that you see me when no one else does? Do I like that it's easy to figure you out? If I can have you now, then easy's what I'm about. I think you might be the wrong person, but you found me at the right time. And I don't wanna leave you hurting, so I've been keeping you in mind. I wish I could tell you just how I feel, but I'm just so conflicted I can't tell you what's real. I'm trying to find Cupid, so it's my heart I'll steal, but all these bows and arrows still haven't revealed if I like you, or if I like the attention. If I like that you see me when no one else does. If I like that it's easy to figure you out. If I can have you now, then easy's what I'm about. Do I want you, or do I want the commitment? Do I like that you're near me, or am I indifferent? Do I like that it's easy to be with you now? Still haven't figured out if easy's what I'm about. Sitting here, crying in my prom dress.
We learned a dance from Mamma Mia. It's like a TikTok thing, but we learned it. Okay.
Also, we did it for like we did it like 2 hours ago, and then we've just been like chilling and we forgot about it. Then we were gonna go upstairs to get some dessert, which I carefully planned out.
But then we still want to finish this.
So now we're gonna do it for your viewing pleasure.
Yes.
All of the mistakes that we're about to make.
Now I can see we're beginning to care. It's better to forget me. Yes!
I love the chocolate covered strawberries. Good.
Yeah, they're like pro.
They're pro. Cheers.
Cheers.
No, it's the opposite.
Oh, okay.
Let's do cheers and then go like this. Oh, hey, didn't see you there. Okay, now I'm home. There is a car right there, so that's great. Get me? Aftermath. Talk about catfishing but I really hope you guys enjoy this video, and thank you so much, EJ. Oh my god, I look like a mess because I know you're watching this, for doing all that, and it's super sweet. And this is just a lesson to make the best of what you've got, because that's all you're gonna get. And I mean, that's what we did, and I'm very happy. And don't forget to subscribe, like my videos for my channel, and follow my Instagram right here, and I'll follow you back. And my camera just died. What I meant to say. And I'll see you guys next time, whenever that is. Bye. Oh, I don't have enough hands. Bye. Bye.